Okay, now Andy's going to adjust the gun, get the right pattern he wants. One screw adjusts the air, the other screw adjusts the fluid. Now he's applying the clear coat to the brake calipers. This will take at least 2 coats of clear. He's going to see how it lays out. His first coat goes on pretty light. He's just trying to get everything nice and tacky without getting any runs in it. The clear coat is the final protection to the piece. It makes it shiny, keeps it from rusting. Everything else we've put on it is just so that the clear will go on and look good. None of the other products we put on are really a durable product. This is what protects everything. The other products we've put on here are pretty thin. The clear coat will go on real heavy, several mils per coat.